When to book your first driving lesson for best results. You must have a provisional license before booking the first driving lesson. If you know some of the basics and key parts of the car, you can book your first driving lesson for best results. When you have enough road knowledge and you are studying theory from the start. When you have decided the correct transmission to learn. If you know your learning goal, you are ready for your first lesson. Make sure you meet with the specific age requirement for the driving lessons. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.